Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm yet again back with another tutorial video for you on App Guide, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix your login error for your StockX account. So if you've been trying to log into your StockX account but have been facing some error, I'm going to show you how that is solvable. I'll be providing you with a few steps, and I hope that any of these steps work out for you. So the best way to always go about this is to go to your App Store, and as you go to your App Store, on the search bar type in StockX. When you type in StockX, you will land on an interface that looks like this, and here currently you can see the open button, but if your app is not updated, you are more likely to see an update button. Make sure that you've updated your app, because many times a login error is specially caused because of your app not being updated on time. So make sure that your app is updated. What you can also do is you can go to your settings, and after you go to your settings, go to General, then go to iPhone Storage. When you go to iPhone Storage, you'll be able to see every single app that is currently running on your device. So wait for this page to completely load and then search for StockX. As you figure out where StockX is located, all you have to do is tap on the app. So here, tap on the app, and here you can see the option that says Offload app. When you tap on the offload button, it's going to ask you for a confirmation of offloading. All that this does is it reduces some of your storage, which means that it frees up some of the storage, but still keeps your documents and data. So all you have to do is offload the app, and then after you offload the app, reinstall the app back on your device, which will lead you towards fixing the login error many a times. Another way can also be by long pressing and then tapping on the cross button and then deleting the app altogether, going back to the App Store and reinstalling the app on your device. Sometimes a login error might also be caused because of your connectivity, so make sure that you also turn off your Wi-Fi for a certain period of time and then also turn it back again. As you turn it back again, what will happen is that your connectivity will get restored, and probably because of the internet lagging or because of the lower speed of the internet, you are facing some login error. So this might probably help you, or else you can directly call the internet service and ask them to fix this for you. So these are some of the steps by means of which you can fix your login error. I hope that this video has been of use to you. If you found this helpful and if any of these methods worked out for you, do let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and also hit that bell notification so that you get reminded every single time we come up with a new tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys.